We'll look at some of the top landing gear options for the DJI Avata 2 in this video.
Welcome to Best Budget Info. Here, we review tech products to help you make the best purchasing decision. Our team stays busy to keep you updated on latest tech trends. To purchase the right product, check out the links in the description and subscribe to my channel.
On number 1, we have FSIDIWT landing gear. The FSIDIWT landing gear stands out in the drone accessory market for its exceptional build quality and adaptability, making it a sought-after choice for DJI Avata 2 owners. Crafted from robust materials, this landing gear is engineered to absorb the shocks and stresses of landing, effectively minimizing the risk of harm to your precious drone. 3 different height increases are adjustable: 25mm, 35mm, and 41mm. This significantly increases the distance between the Avata 2 and the ground, preventing the drone, sensors, and other components from getting soiled or damaged during takeoff and landing because of the uneven ground. The quick-release and foldable design of this landing gear does not interfere with battery replacement. It is portable and small in size. Your Avata 2 flight will not be hindered by its lightweight design. The landing gear's spider leg structure has been improved for a stable landing and subsequent takeoff. An automated rollover can be performed by the Avata 2 by raising the landing gear to a height of 25mm. On number 2, we have Ailenice landing gear. For fans of the DJI Avata 2 looking for landing gear that combines lightweight performance with sturdy design, the Ailenice landing gear stands out as a top choice. This landing gear stands out for its build, using premium carbon fiber for the legs, a decision that adds minimum weight to your drone while simultaneously providing strength and durability. Stylish spider landing gear adds style and appeal to your drone. When the Avata 2 is at the third height, 25mm, it won't affect the turtle mode or the Avata 2 flipping itself. Greatly extends the distance between the drone's fuselage and the ground, keeping the sensor and drone safe and clean during takeoff and landing. The necessary leg height can be adjusted between 25mm, 35mm, and 41mm. Installing drone quickly, safely, and all in one step is possible with this method. Pilots who are anxious to get their drones back in the air and capture amazing aerial footage without having to spend a lot of time adjusting gear will especially appreciate this ease. So these are some of the best landing gears to buy. If you enjoyed our video, leave a like and subscribe for future updates.